Hi friends, welcome back to our channel Ram Invented Tech. In this video, we are going to discuss about a dinosaur game project. Before going into that section, please do like this video and subscribe to our channel. So, let's get into the video. Required components for this project: LCD display, Arduino board, one buzzer, and one push button. Breadboard and some jumper wires. This is the full circuit diagram. Just now I am following these connections and also I mentioned the image below. Next, after placing the push button, pin 1 should connected to D2 and pin 2 connected to ground. This LCD display needs 5 volts. Now I am giving that 5 volts from the Arduino board, connecting the wires as mentioned in the below image. Now we are moving into the coding section. Open the Arduino IDE software. This code and circuit diagram link I provided in the description. In this code, we need to know about this. These are buzzer and button pins. And these are the libraries. Now I am copying the library name and pasting in the library search. Here you can see already I installed this library. Then next, go to tool option, select the board as an Arduino Nano. And next, select the communication port. Just click on upload the code. Here I am using the power from the cable wire. After pressing the button, it's ready to play. Here my target score is 500. Let's see how much score I can achieve with all your support. I hope you enjoyed this project. If you have any doubts to build this project, please contact me on Instagram or make a comment. If you like my explanation, please do like this video and don't forget to follow and subscribe to our channel for more updates. Thanks for watching.